Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white and brown stripe polo t-shirt with black jeans and black shoes. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with grey baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with grey striped pants and white sneakers. Next you can try lavender shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try black and white printed shirt with black jeans and black shoes. Next you can try white printed shirt with navy blue shorts and beach loafers. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream half sleeve shirt with white pants and brown sleepers. Next you can try dark grey oversized t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white sneaker outfit ideas.